Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to crochet this very easy basic top with a super nice texture just using single crochet and double crochet stitches. Start by making a slip knot and make 15 chains. Once you have 15 chains, we're gonna make a single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Insert your hook, grab a loop, yarn over, pull through all 2 loops. We're going to make a double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. We're going to be repeating placing 1 single crochet and a double crochet in each stitch until the end. So I'm back and I only have 1 chain left, and in that very last chain we're going to make 3 single crochets in that same chain. Start by inserting your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And repeat this until you have 2 more single crochets in the same chain. And what we're basically doing is we're forming the top of our bra cups so that it has the points at the top. So once you're done with 3 single crochets, we're gonna work to the other side by placing a single crochet in that first stitch. So that stitch on the other side was a single crochet, so we have to put a single crochet here. So we're just duplicating what the other stitch is. So this is a double crochet, so I will put a double crochet in that stitch. Keep repeating, alternating between single crochet and double crochet stitches until the end of the row. At the end, you should always have a single crochet as your last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work over. As you can see, we have the texture already forming. This is what I really like about this stitch. It gives a really nice and fun texture. So single crochet on the very first stitch, double crochet on the next stitch, and so on. Keep repeating until you get to the very top of the cup. So we're still copying the last round. If the last round has a single crochet, you put a single crochet. If the last round has a double crochet, you put a double crochet. Once you get to the top where you have 3 single crochets, I'm putting my last stitch, which is a double crochet, and when I get to the middle of the 3 stitches, I am putting 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Whenever we always get to the middle of the 3 single crochets at the top, place 3 more single crochets in the middle stitch, and this will form the point of the cup. Once you're done with 3 single crochets, we're placing our normal single crochet half double crochet stitches until the end of the row. So just follow what is in the below round or row. So this, I have a double crochet and then a single crochet and so on. Again, your last stitch should be a single crochet. Now chain 1 and turn your work over. We're repeating the last row by placing a single crochet on the very first stitch, then followed by a double crochet, then a single crochet, and a double crochet. So again, we're just duplicating what the last row of stitches are. And whenever you get to the middle stitch of the 3 single crochets, make 3 single crochets in the middle stitch and continue placing your normal single crochet, double crochet stitches until you get to the end of the row. Chain 1 and repeat this until your cup gets longer or bigger and it fits you nicely. So this is my first cup, I've already done it. And when you get to the end of your cup, don't cut the yarn, but make 15 chains on each side for both cups so that we can start making the bottom portion. So we are just repeating the same stitches that we are doing for the cups. So I'm going to place a single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and placing a double crochet in the next, and a single crochet, double crochet, and so on. And I'm also going to show you how to attach the other cup. Single crochet, double crochet until the end of the cup, and I will meet you back again. Now I have made it to the very last stitch of my first cup, and now we're going to connect the other cup. So turn your work like this. So you're going to insert your hook where your last stitch is, then insert your hook again into the other side of the cup. Now yarn over and make a single crochet or a double crochet, depends on what stitch you're on now, and just continue placing double crochet and single crochet until you get to the other side of the cup. And again, when you get to the end, make sure you have a single crochet as your very last stitch. To start the next row, we're going to be chaining 1 and turn our work over. And from this point on, this is just going to be repetitive. So the same stitches place a single crochet on the very first stitch, a double crochet on the next stitch, and just keep repeating this until your bottom part gets longer to your desired length. I'm only doing a few rows just so it hits the top of my belly button. So once you've made more rows and your bottom part gets longer, this is what it should look like. So I made 11 rows for my top, and I'm going to cut the yarn now and just tug on the yarn. And the next step we're going to do is make the straps. So I have already made the first strap here. It is the exact same thing for both sides. To make the straps, make a slip knot and insert your hook into the very top middle stitch of your cup. Once you have it attached, we're going to make 70 chains for straps. So once you have 70 chains, we're repeating the exact same thing, placing a single crochet and a double crochet along the strap until you get to the very end. So when you reach the very end, we're going to skip one stitch and slip stitch onto the next one. Then slip stitch to the next stitch once more, and you can chain one and cut the yarn. And this is how you make the straps. So you can just attach your yarn to the other side of the cup and make the exact same thing. Now we will be making the back corset straps. So start by making a slip knot and start chaining 250 chains. Once you have 250, you're going to cut the yarn and tug on the yarn to make it more secure. And now you're done the very back straps, and you can start attaching them to the back part of the top. So that's everything for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And for more videos, don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. See you next time. Bye!